Air pollution is one of our biggest challenges. And indoor air, which we breathe 90% of our time, can be up to 10 times more polluted. From complex viruses to smoke, pollen, and everyday dust, air pollutants cause us real problems, like low energy, poor sleep, and even severe health conditions. And while other air filters address some of the problems, none have been able to effectively and sustainably address them all. OneLife X does. With its next-generation plasma filter, OneLife X is the future of air purification. At OneLife, our vision is simple: to empower the world to breathe better. After extensive research, our team made a game-changing breakthrough in air purification. Our revolutionary OneLife X cleans air at clinical levels, and the power is in our patent-pending plasma filter. By generating a proprietary broad-spectrum plasma field, OneLife X is able to charge 99.99% of harmful airborne particles, immediately forcing them to gravitate towards our ultra-advanced collector sheets, allowing only crystal-clean air to pass through. It's more precise in eliminating the invisible but potentially deadly stuff, like wildfire smoke, viruses, and ultrafine particles that other purifiers miss. The washable filter never needs replacing, avoiding the huge costs and environmental damage that traditional, non-recyclable filters create every day. When it comes to noise, our optimized axial ventilator delivers a precise and targeted airflow, making OneLife X virtually silent. And it easily wins on energy consumption, using less than an LED lamp. OneLife X is as advanced and efficient as air purification gets, and the health benefits are clear. By creating pure, clean air, OneLife X can boost focus by more than 60%, reduce stress, promote restful sleep, and ease asthma and allergy sufferers. With its compact, easy-tilt design and connected app, OneLife X works wherever and whenever you want it. And artfully crafted from bamboo and recycled plastics, it's both sustainable and beautiful. OneLife X is the perfect partner for your health, and in perfect harmony with your home. OneLife X. It's time you breathe the air you deserve.